Microneedling is one of the most beneficial skincare treatments in present times. The process of using Dermarollers on your skin is known as microneedling. Dermarollers are handheld tools which, when rolled across the skin, creates microscopic holes. This procedure promotes body's natural healing response and increases the production of collagen and elastin, resulting in fewer fine lines and wrinkles. Microneedling also takes care of acne scars, giving you a beautiful skin on the go. Dermarollers can be used at home rather than running to a professional every now and then, and the process is also much more convenient. Keeping all these benefits in mind, in today's video we have rounded up the 5 best Dermaroller kits for you to achieve a perfect skin on your own. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Take care of your skin's aging signs and other important needs with the ZUSTBEAUTY ZustPink Kit, a quality product which you can easily add into your skincare regime. The Dermaroller kit comes with 3 different rollers which are suitable for using on your eyes, face, and your body. The rollers are UV gamma sterilized and made with titanium 0.3mm needles, which take care of acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and other skin issues. The VC serum hydrates skin, protects it from environmental pollution, and brightens your skin with its exquisite formula. The kit also includes a collagen cream, soothes your skin after rolling, making it brighter and firmer. It's a premium quality home therapy kit with titanium needles, which makes your skin radiant while repairing and restoring. The manual instruction which comes with the kit makes it easier for you to use the Dermaroller and experience a perfect skin like never before. The ZustBEAUTY ZustPink Kit has earned numbers of reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, users love this product for its elegant outlook and noticeable changes after using the Dermaroller. They also love the vitamin C serum and collagen cream for their effectiveness, but besides all the positive reviews, some users didn't quite like the product. Let's check out the rating for this product. Improve your skin's appearance while making it healthy and brighter with the YaFex Dermaroller Kit, a great option for at-home use. The Dermaroller comes with replaceable heads and microneedles, which are 0.25mm and 0.3mm in size. The needles are made of titanium and do not penetrate living layers of the skin, which make it a safer option for you. This product promotes the absorption of skincare products while providing you with a shining experience. It rejuvenates skin, takes care of aging signs, and it makes your skin smooth. The Dermaroller also corrects uneven skin tone for a better complexion. The kit also includes a silicone brush, a storage case with a disinfection basin, and an instruction for maximum user experience. The Dermaroller is suitable for your whole body and your face, and it takes care of stretch marks as well. This product has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love the fact that this product comes with different sizes of roller heads for different purposes, and it makes your skin glow and youthful in appearance. But some of the users complained of facing problems with the size of the needles. It's time to rate this Dermaroller. Our next pick for today's video is the Dermaroll by Prosper Beauty, which is designed by healthcare professionals keeping your hygiene in mind. This Dermaroller comes with 4 roller heads containing 600 microneedles made of titanium. The 0.25mm microneedles do not injure your skin and provides painless experience while ensuring safety for you. This product promises to provide increased hygiene as every kit comes with sanitized replacement roller heads. It also contains the replacement head kit called Dermaroll refills in both 0.25mm and 0.5mm needles. This high-quality Dermaroller ensures maximum coverage of your skin. It helps in exfoliation while improving the skin's appearance with a luminous look, giving your skin a smoother feeling. This 6-piece microneedle Dermaroller kit also includes a handle and a carrying case for ease of use. Dermaroller by Prosper Beauty has earned many positive reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. After going through the reviews, users love this product as it makes your skin smooth while taking care of dark spots, fine lines, and enlarged pores. But some of the users said that they were not satisfied with this product. Time to check out the ratings. If you're looking for a Dermaroller kit which comes with a complete package for ensuring maximum skincare benefits, the ZustBeauty ZustBlack Kit might be the best option for you. This Dermaroller is UV gamma sterilized and made from stainless steel and 540 titanium. The microneedles are 0.3 millimeters in size, making them perfect for at-home use. This 3-step skincare includes a VC serum and a centella cream. Hyaluronic acid keeps your skin moisturized, and the goodness of vitamin C is a must-have for your skincare routine. On the other hand, centella cream provides calming effects to your skin with its great formula. The Dermaroller takes care of your acne scars, hyperpigmentation, and fine lines as well. It makes your skin tone appear brighter and even while increasing the effectiveness of topical skincare. The kit also includes an informative and handy manual and a transparent zipper travel gift for your convenience. The ZustBeauty ZustBlack Kit earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, this Dermaroller makes skin firm and takes care of acne scars quite well, while the serum and cream keep skin moisturized and smooth, but some users said that they were disappointed with the product. Let's check out the ratings for this Dermaroller. The Love & Pebble Microneedle Dermaroller is our top pick for today's video. This Dermaroller promises to rejuvenate your skin and reveal your inner glow with its exquisite features. This product comes with 1 Dermaroller and 3 replacement roller heads, which are made of titanium. The 0.25mm needles of this roller head are non-invasive and painless, making them a safer option to use at home. The Dermaroller makes your skin look firm and younger while tightening your pores. It increases the production of collagen, taking care of fine lines and wrinkles. This roller also works on lifting dark spots and ensures maximum absorption to your skincare products. The kit comes with 3 disinfectant cups for better hygiene. It also includes a travel case, a how-to instruction card, and an online ebook so that you can use the product without any hassle. The Love & Pebble Microneedle Dermaroller has earned a huge number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. Users love this product as it actually works and makes your skin glow and smooth while taking care of the acne scars. But some of them complain that they faced issues after using the Dermaroller. It's time to rate this product. Those were our top 5 microneedling and Dermaroller kits. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.